Happy Hump Day 99ers. Since today is the first day of spring, I'm going to show you guys 9 items that can help with your spring cleaning. The organizer I found is going to be perfect to put underneath the sink, and maybe even put my hair straightener in there, some brushes, anything really. We also found this nice plastic storage that you can put underneath your bed if you want to organize it. And it's 50% off all plastic storage right now. So my favorite thing that I found was this really cute basket, and Taya actually had a good idea. We're gonna use it for blankets. You could probably use it for socks, anything in the store stuff.